Welcome to Dr. Health Tips. If you're over 60 and you've been told that your muscles naturally weaken with age, let me stop you right there. That's only half true. Yes, muscle loss after 60, called sarcopenia, is real. But no, it's not inevitable. In fact, the right nutrition can help you stay strong, mobile, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Most of us grew up believing that eggs were the king of protein. We've heard it for decades. If you want muscles, eat your eggs. And while eggs are a fantastic source of protein, new science reveals that there's a different protein out there that actually works better than eggs when it comes to muscle building after 70. Today, I'll take you step by step through why your body needs this special protein, how it compares to eggs, and how adding it to your daily routine could help you rebuild strength, protect your bones, and even feel younger again. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share not just the name of this protein, but also how you can use it in your everyday meals to maximize its benefits. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, settle in, and let's unlock one of the best-kept secrets to senior health. Part 1. Why muscle loss happens after 60. As we age, something sneaky happens inside our bodies. After the age of 30, we start losing about 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade. By the time we hit 70, this loss becomes much more dramatic. Muscles don't just help us look toned. They help us walk without falling, get up from a chair, climb stairs, and even keep our metabolism active so we don't gain weight around the belly. But why does muscle vanish as we age? Our bodies don't process protein as efficiently anymore. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone naturally decline. Many seniors don't eat enough protein-rich foods, especially if cooking feels like a chore. Illness, medications, and even stress can accelerate muscle breakdown. This combination is what doctors call sarcopenia. And here's the scary part: sarcopenia doubles the risk of falls and fractures, slows down recovery from illness, and can even shorten lifespan. But here's the hopeful truth: nutrition can fight back. And that's where our special protein comes in. Part 2. Why eggs became the gold standard. For decades, eggs have been praised as the perfect protein. Why? Because they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our body cannot make on its own. Amino acids are like Lego blocks. They snap together to form muscles, repair tissues, and keep us energized. Eggs are also inexpensive, easy to cook, and versatile. Scrambled, boiled, poached, you name it. Many seniors rely on them daily. But here's the catch: while eggs are excellent, new research shows they may not be the best protein for seniors over 70. Why? Our aging digestive system doesn't always break down egg protein fully. Eggs contain about 6 to 7 grams of protein each, meaning you'd have to eat several a day to meet your muscle needs. They're high in cholesterol, which some seniors may need to watch. This doesn't mean eggs are bad. They're still wonderful. But there's another protein that your body can absorb more efficiently after 70. Part 3. The protein that works better than eggs. So, what's the protein that beats eggs for seniors? The answer is whey protein. Yes, the same whey protein you may have heard bodybuilders talk about. But don't let that fool you. Whey protein isn't just for athletes. In fact, it may be even more important for seniors over 70 than it is for the young. Here's why. Absorption. Whey protein is absorbed faster and more completely than egg protein. Leucine content. Whey has one of the highest levels of leucine, the amino acid most responsible for muscle growth. Digestibility. It's easier on the stomach compared to large amounts of eggs or meat. Convenience. A scoop of whey protein powder can give you 20 to 25 grams of protein instantly, without cooking. For seniors, who often struggle with appetite or chewing tough meats, whey protein is a game changer. Part 4. How whey works inside a senior's body. Let's break it down simply. When you drink whey protein, maybe in a shake, smoothie, or even stirred into oatmeal, it gets digested quickly. The amino acids travel through your bloodstream and reach your muscles. Leucine, the star amino acid, acts like a light switch. It tells your muscles, "Wake up! It's time to grow and repair." That's crucial after 70 because our bodies don't respond to protein as strongly as they did when we were 20. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. Whey protein overcomes that resistance. Clinical studies have shown that seniors who take whey protein build more lean muscle, have better balance, and recover faster after illness or surgery. Part 5. Comparing whey versus eggs. Let's put them head to head. Protein content: 1 large egg equals 6 grams. 1 scoop of whey equals 25 grams. Leucine content: eggs have about 0.5 grams of leucine. Whey has nearly 3 grams per serving. Digestibility: eggs take longer to digest. Whey is absorbed in under an hour. Calories: whey protein powders are often low-calorie and low-fat, which helps seniors maintain a healthy weight. In short, you need 4 to 5 eggs to equal 1 scoop of whey. And for seniors with small appetites, that's not always realistic. Part 6. How seniors can use whey protein. Now you might be wondering, but I'm not a gym goer. Do I really need whey protein? Absolutely. This isn't about bodybuilding. It's about everyday strength. Whey protein can help you stand up from a chair without help. Keep your legs strong for walking and balance. Protect against falls and fractures. Improve recovery if you've been sick or in the hospital. And the best part? It's easy to use. Here are a few simple ways. Blend a scoop into a morning smoothie with banana and almond milk. Stir it into oatmeal or yogurt. Mix it with warm milk before bedtime. That 1 scoop can make a world of difference. Part 7. Stories that inspire. Take Margaret, a 74-year-old retired teacher from Florida. She was losing strength in her legs and found herself avoiding stairs. Her doctor recommended whey protein daily. Within 3 months, Margaret not only regained her strength but was back gardening and playing with her grandkids. Or John, a 72-year-old veteran. After surgery, he struggled to recover. A dietitian added whey protein shakes to his meals. The result? Faster healing, more energy, and fewer hospital visits. These stories are not miracles. They're what happens when seniors give their muscles the nutrition they desperately need. Part 8. Tips for choosing whey protein. Not all whey proteins are equal. Here's what to look for. Whey protein isolate, best for seniors, as it's lactose-free and easier to digest. Low sugar, avoid powders with added sugars or artificial junk. Third-party tested, make sure it's safe and pure. Unflavored options, these mix easily into soups, oatmeal, or coffee. And remember, always check with your doctor before starting new supplements, especially if you're on medication. Part 9. Beyond muscles, other benefits of whey. Whey protein doesn't just build muscles. Studies show it can support your immune system, help control blood sugar, promote weight management, even improve heart health. So in many ways, whey protein isn't just better than eggs for muscles. It may be one of the most powerful anti-aging foods available.